Okay, once again, I am welcoming you all students and those who are new here. I want to give my introduction first of all. I am your maths teacher, Pramod sir. Okay, students?
Okay,
And
sir.
up till now, Mr. Gaware sir deals with you, right? So, in the lesson,
Yes, sir.
knowing our numbers, integers, uh, Gaware sir told me that up to the exercise 1.1 means just before that uh, he taught you, right students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so students, just close your books now. We are going to
Yes, clear.
have a chat only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
only 17 students are present now. I am waiting for others to
15.
join.
Sir, 15 only.
Now not okay, 17 now. 17 are there.
सर कुछ स्टूडेंट वेटिंग में
Okay.
Waiting पे, sir.
So students, now tell me, do you know these things? Do you know properties of addition, students, up till now? Up to 6th standard,
Yes.
you can say.
यस सर
Yeah, very good. That's very nice. So students, tell me please, how many properties are there? How many properties of addition are there?
4
8? You unmute. You can unmute and respond me. How many properties of addition are there?
4. 4. 4.
4. Okay. So let us see the first one. What should be the answer, please, students?
8. 8.
Plus 8. Okay, very good.
Yes, plus 8. Plus 8.
Plus 8, right? Very good. Now the second one. What will be the answer?
-8
Minus 8. Minus 8.
+2 +8 +2 +2
Okay. Plus. Okay. Now. Minus 5 plus 3.
-2
-2, sir.
-2
That's it.
-2
Very good, students. Okay, minus
-2.
and the fourth one now. What should be the answer?
-8
That's it.
Minus 8.
Very good.
-8.
Minus.
-8.
Actually, I am very pleased to see you that you are very sincere students, and up till now, 20 students join here, and most of you are responding very properly, positively. So, students, okay, yeah, most of you are correct. Please keep yourself mute until and unless you need. Please keep yourself mute. Okay, thank you, students. So, students, I am very pleased that you know all these things very properly. Now, further we are going.
Subtraction.
Properties of product, or you say multiplication, right, sir? Right, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know properties of multiplication or product? Can you tell me the first one? If both are positive, then
Answer will be positive.
answer will be positive, right? If both are
Yes.
Yes, sir.
positive. Okay, that's very good.
Will be positive.
Okay, that means please
Sir.
keep silence. Please keep uh, yourself mute. Lalit. Okay. Now, students, look here. If both are positive, you told me that the answer should be positive, right? This is the
Yes, sir.
first one.
Yes.
Now, students, the second one, if both are negative, then
Answer should
Positive.
be
Positive.
Answer should positive.
very good, very good.
Positive.
Answer will be positive. That means if both are negative, then the answer will positive, right, students? Now,
Yes.
the third and last one. Who will tell me? Third and last one.
Or switch off.
Okay. Okay.
Then I. Sir, can I?
Okay. Harsh, Mr. Harsh.
Sir, plus into minus.
Plus into minus. Very good.
Is equal to minus.
Is
Equal to minus.
Okay. So let us take an example. 5 into minus 3 will definitely give us minus 15. Is it correct, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now, focus here. You should know all these properties. Abhi, just some time ago, one student was saying that, sir, properties of subtraction भी होते हैं क्या? ऐसा कुछ था? Hello? Who asked me actually that whether there will be properties of subtraction or not? Can you tell me,
Yes,
student?
sir. Someone is asking you.
Someone was asking me. I know that whether there should be properties of subtraction or not. Who was he or she? Let me know. Be frank with me. Feel free. You can chat me like a friend also. Don't bother about that. That was a very nice question actually. But who asked me that? Hello?
I.
Mr. Swanand, right?
Yes.
ओके स्वानंद प्लीज बेटा देखिए इधर आपने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा दैट वाज ऑफ कोर्स यू शुड आस्क सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस टू एवरी टीचर नॉट मी ओनली सो लुक हियर स्टूडेंट आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन समथिंग इसने पूछा था कि प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन होते हैं क्या तो मेरा पहला आंसर डायरेक्टली तो ये है ऑलरेडी नो बिकॉज इन एडिशन इटसेल्फ इट इंक्लूड्स एडिशन में इंक्लूड होते हैं For that, I am going to give you an example, students. See that, students, properly. +5 और +3 ये दो मैंने नंबर लिए. Okay, students. अगर हमने स्वानंद के जैसे अगर सोचा कि हमने let us try for the properties of subtraction. Okay. तो ये मैंने बीच में सब्ट्रैक्शन लिख दिया ओके सो व्हाट विल बी इट स्टूडेंट लेट अस सी +5 एज इट इज माइनस इनटू प्लस व्हाट विल बी इट -3 अभी देखिए स्टूडेंट अभी प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ स्टूडेंट ऑल ऑफ यू ओके लुक हियर so now students you should know that 5 minus 3 is nothing but 5 plus 2. 5 plus no I am not we are not going to check the final result students we are just observing what is it 5 minus 3 is nothing but 5 plus minus 3 is it okay
Yes,
it
sir.
That means what?
Yes,
This
sir.
property we have taken already. Where is it? Where is it? Let me tell. Tell me, please. Second one. Second one.
Yes. Yes.
So,
sir.
so there is no need of a separate properties for the subtraction. Swanand, do you understand better?
Yes.
So already we include those in properties of addition itself. Do you got everyone, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, students, what I am expecting that you try to ask me question. Don't hesitate at all. Okay, you can ask me
Yes.
question related to the topic, but okay. And if you want to respond, you should unmute yourself always. Otherwise, keep yourself mute. Will you follow this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
So what I would like, when there will be offline classes from June, maybe, okay, we can expect. Yes, students? So
Yes.
at that time, for me, you should write all these, you should mention all these properties in your notebook. Can I expect this?
Sir,
Huh.
Yes, sir.
you may expect, but you have to send this on our WhatsApp group.
No, 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 no.
Yes.
You can take a snap just now. You can take a snap just
Sir, the board is not clear to us. That's why I'm telling you to send in
Of course,
WhatsApp group.
definitely. I will send you its video as well on the group. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So can we go further now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we start?
Yes.
Can we start exercise, student?
Yes.
Okay. Please open your page number. Let me see. Just a moment. So students, on page number 14, right? 14, we have to start our exercise. Okay. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see there are almost 8 questions, and in those 8 questions, some sub questions in every question are there. So those I will take. Some of them I will take. Definitely I will take most of them you will solve. Okay, students, आपने सभी ने टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन की?
Sir, page number. Sir, page number.
14 14
आप 2-3 एग्जाम्पल छोड़ा तो
Yeah,
बाकी
yeah,
के
yeah.
हम छोड़ा देंगे.
Okay. That's what. Let me finish first. Okay. So, students, I will take some of the examples from your textbook, and I expect that the remaining one you will solve at home. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So, students, the first one, multiply the following integer. So, I am going to take h. 0 with 0. You tell the answer. Please respond. 0 with 0.
0.
Very good.
4.
So, students, you should
0.
zeros are 0.
Zero.
Definitely. Okay.
Yes.
Next question, student. I would like to take k.
What, sir?
K minus 18 into minus 15. Who will answer me?
Sir, I. Minus
Just wait a moment. Student.
270.
Plus or minus? Hello.
Plus.
Keep yourself mute. Keep yourself mute. I want to chat with you for a minute. I want to chat with you for a minute only. Please keep yourself mute. Okay.
Okay,
so
sir.
students, first of all, always remind one thing. Such will be a number. Okay. Any polynomial, whatever it may be, always keep it in your mind when there will be addition or multiplication or division, whatever. But when you are answering, जब आप आंसर देते हो स्टूडेंट, तो सबसे पहले एक बात ध्यान में रखना, ये पहले आना चाहिए साइन, फर्स्ट थिंग. Please keep yourself mute. So first of all, sign should be there, later on number, and of course it in this lesson it will not happen, but everywhere at last you should think about variable. तो ये स्टेपिंग होती है स्टूडेंट. सबसे पहले you should think about the sign first properly. Next step is number and the last step is variable. You got it students? What I am expecting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means here what should you respond? You should respond me like आपने क्या किया स्टूडेंट, सीधा सीधा यानी आपने फोकस क्या किया, वेयर यू फोकस्ड. आपने ये फोकस किया कि सर 11 15 हम निकाल सकते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन, एवरीवन कैन, इट विल बी 270, बट while you responding you should respond like those steps. First remind those steps and later on you should respond. Now tell me the answer.
Sir, 270.
Hello.
270. 270.
अभी भी आप नहीं समझे स्टूडेंट.
Sir, I'm minus 18 in multiplication minus 15.
Sir, minus 18 into minus 15.
Okay,
Sir, minus.
just wait a minute बेटा. Okay, look here student. मेरी अपेक्षा ये है कि आप 270 बोलने के पहले एटलीस्ट पॉजिटिव तो बोलो या प्लस तो बोलो. I will not write.
Plus.
We used to not
Plus
write the
270.
plus sign. हम plus sign नहीं
Plus
लिखते student.
Plus
Yeah.
270.
That's what.
270.
Yeah, that's what I am expecting. You should always think about the sign first. Do you get it now? अभी आप
Yes,
समझ
sir.
रहे हो? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
हम लोग लिखेंगे नहीं, वो बात अलग है.
Plus 270.
Yeah. That's it. That was. That's what I was expecting, student. Now I minus 1000 with plus 7. Who will give the answer?
Sir,
Sir, Harsh.
Raj, please.
Sir, Sir,
Yes, sir.
Minus
Raj, answer
1000.
Minus 9. Minus
Sir, can I? Minus 700. Minus 7,000.
Hello.
Minus 7,000.
Minus.
Minus 7,000.
Minus
7,000.
Okay, student. Please yourself. I got you, all of you.
Minus 7,000.
Yeah, I have already written it on the board. I am very pleased that you are enthusiastic much. Okay, that's very nice sign for me that you are always you are ready to give responses. That's a nice sign for me. Okay, students, from the first question, remaining, will you solve the remaining one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us move further for the second one now. Please keep silent. Now the second one is divide.
Sir,
Second one is divide.
sir,
Yeah.
remaining questions are homework.
Remaining questions will be definitely homework for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Second one now, students, please. Please, students, keep silence. E,
Sir, what is homework?
the remaining questions. The remaining questions, that means H I solved for you. The remaining questions you consider as homework. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So let us move forward. The C plus 40
What, sir?
plus 42 by minus. Now see students, देखिए students, keep yourself mute. Lalit, keep yourself mute. Lalit. Okay, look here. So plus 42 by minus 7. So students, who will answer me?
Minus
Minus
6.
6. Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Minus. Okay, okay, very good. Why minus?
Minus
Can
6.
anyone tell me? Why minus 6? Why minus 6? Can anyone explain? Elaborate. Tanvi. Tanvi Gohane.
Yes, sir.
You can answer. Why minus 6 is the question.
Because 7 के टेबल में 42 आता है.
हाँ. Sin minus 6 minus क्यों आया? What is the reason behind that?
Can I take, sir?
Who Harshad or what?
Minus.
Please
Sir,
tell your
plus
name. Please tell your name, beta, first, because I
Sir,
am
my name is Aryan.
Aryan. Okay, Aryan, go. You can, beta. Okay.
Plus 42 divided by 7
Yeah.
plus and minus. There is minus. Then we will
Okay, okay,
divide.
okay, okay. That means beta Aryan, look here, please look here, all of you. That means you are saying that if plus upon minus, then the answer will be minus. That means you can, आप ऐसा भी ध्यान में रख सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स कि if there will be one positive and one negative, the answer will be minus, right? And if both will be positive in the numerator or denominator, or if both will be negative, like that, if both will be negative, then what will be the answer, student? If both
Positive.
Positive.
positive. Okay, student.
Positive.
Just like
Positive.
properties of multiplication, we have to apply here those things. Okay, thank you.
किधर है?
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Beta. Now, students, tell me f. So divided by minus 29. Can anyone tell me?
Harshada.
Okay, Harshad.
Yeah.
So upon minus 29.
Minus 0.
माइनस 0. देखो अभी इसने जो बोला है तभी आप बराबर बोल रहे हो क्या? माइनस 0 इज करेक्ट आंसर?
No. 0.
No, sir. 0. Sir.
Okay.
0.
Okay,
Sir,
okay, student.
0.
Okay, student.
Only 0.
Yeah, I got you,
Zero.
students. I got you.
0.
Please mute yourself. Now I want to discuss something with you. Okay. So, students,
Yes.
I saw that someone were saying minus 0, someone were saying plus 0. कोई ऐसा बोल रहे थे कि सर ये रॉन्ग है, माइनस 0 रॉन्ग है, प्लस 0 ठीक है, ऐसा ऐसा. Let us see now. First thing, 0 please 0 has no sign. ये बात ध्यान में रखना. Why? अगर मेरे पास में 100 रुपी है, उसमें मैंने ऐड किया 0, still it will not affect. Okay? अगर मेरे पास 100 रुपी है और मैंने 0 रुपी किसी दूसरे को दिए, दैट मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन, तो भी कुछ फर्क गिरने वाला नहीं है. तो कभी भी बात ध्यान में रखना स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो 0 है इसका आंसर आते वक्त माइनस 0 या प्लस 0 बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. डायरेक्टली व्हाट कैन यू से? 0. आप क्या बोल सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स? 0. ओके, ओके स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ let us move forward. Okay, the third question, fill in the blanks. Who will tell me the first one? A.
Sir, can I? 0.
Sir,
The
0.
answer is 0. Very good.
0.
Yeah, definitely.
0.
Yeah. I know. You all know. I know it. Okay. Then students, will you solve the remaining one? Can I expect this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So go for the fourth true false also. Think over it properly. Okay, students. Will you do that?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then students,
Okay, sir.
I want to take only two questions from fifth one. Only two questions from fifth one. Okay. Should I go?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank
Yes, sir.
you. So students, from the fifth one, first I.
What, sir?
9 into minus 3.
Sir, can I?
Okay,
Sir,
Aryan.
can I?
Okay.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Okay, Raj, you
Sir,
can.
can I?
Raj.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Raj, you can answer beta.
So,
Plus into minus. Huh?
sir, can I? 27.
Plus into minus. Raj,
Minus 27.
I'm not talking
27.
regarding
Minus
27.
27.
minus 27.
Minus 27.
minus 27. Raj, I want to talk with you, beta. Raj, hello. Are you
Yes, sir.
okay, beta? Why didn't you give the answer, beta? First of
Sir,
all,
I have told you.
okay. You answered, na? Okay, that's very nice
Yes,
then.
sir.
Because plus into minus, minus will be there.
Minus.
ओके ठीक है बेटा.
Yes, sir.
अभी बहुत कम समय बाकी है. नो मैटर. तो सेकंड वन के एक ले रहा हूँ. के लेट्स गो फॉर के माइनस 8 into minus 4.
Sir, I.
Please mute yourself. Mute.
Sir, can I?
Can I, sir?
Sir,
Can
Can
I?
I, sir?
sir, can
Sir,
I?
can I?
Okay.
Can I?
Sir, minus 9.
Minus. Okay. Who answer me minus?
Minus 32.
So,
No,
so
yeah.
plus
Sir,
32.
can I?
Plus
Sir,
32. Positive
Sir,
32.
positive 30
Just a
plus
minute, just a
32.
minute, just a
Plus
minute.
30.
Plus
Sir,
32.
positive 32. Plus 32.
Just
Plus 32.
now, students, here, please keep yourself silent. I am also listening, students. Please keep silence. First of all, I got the answer minus 32. Now I am asking the question. Who has answered minus 32? Please let me know.
Sir, I.
Okay, Aryan, another. Minus 32. सिर्फ आर्यन ने नहीं बोला मगर some other students were also there. So you should.
Arohi.
Okay.
ए, मैंने पॉजिटिव बोला था.
ए, बोली तो पॉजिटिव है ना 32.
और महालक्ष्मी.
सर पॉजिटिव 32.
सर मैंने minus 9
Hello,
बोली.
hello.
So
I am
positive.
not. I don't want to talk with you all. I am not asking you personally, beta. Why are you chatting with yourself? Keep some discipline. Maintain discipline, students, please. Okay. Now, students, I am asking. Means I am just asking you. देखो minus 32 एक से ज्यादा लड़कों ने आंसर दिया है, ये मुझे पता है. मुझे ये बिल्कुल बोलना नहीं है कि वो रॉन्ग है, राइट है, क्यों बोला, ये नहीं बोलना है. आप खुद के साथ लॉयल रहो. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग हाउ मेनी आर देयर. आर्यन एंड अदर्स, प्लीज टेल मी हु वर देयर हु आंसर्ड माइनस 32. उनको ही बोलना है सिर्फ. माइनस 32 किसने किसने बोला है? आर्यन को छोड़ के और उनको ही बोलना है. ओके, दैट्स गुड. कि और थोड़ा सा दुख भी हो रहा है क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मोर देन वन स्टूडेंट answered minus 32. So now listen carefully, students. I told you that if both the signs are same, अगर दोनों साइन अगर सेम है, वो डिवीजन में भी रह सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लीकेशन में. If both the signs are same, माइनस माइनस और प्लस प्लस, then the answer is plus. So पहले साइन के बारे में अगर हम सोचते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, तो माइनस इंटू माइनस विल बी प्लस डेफिनेटली, एंड 8 4 आर 32. So students, अभी आपको समझ में आया? Now you can answer.
सर प्लस 32.
Plus 30.
और plus 32.
Okay, okay.
Plus
students,
32.
plus 32. Okay, that's very nice. Students, now for the sixth one, solve only one question I am going to take. Only one question, student. Minus 56 divided by plus 8. And I want Aryan to give the answer. Aryan
minus 7.
Aryan
sir.
Ganvir. Aryan Ganvir only.
Yes, sir.
What will be the answer, student? Aryan?
Sir, repeat the question.
Minus 7.
minus 7. Very good. Minus 56 divided
Minus
by
7.
plus
Yes.
Minus 7.
Okay, students.
Minus 7.
Don't repeat the question, sir.
Okay, students. Okay, students. I got you. Now listen carefully. Just a moment. So, students, am I audible now? Am I
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now I want to give my time personally to you. Now there are only 22 students. Okay. First of all, please mute yourself, student. Just listen to me. We are
Time.
okay. I can also, but I'm expecting you should mute yourself. Okay. And for responding only, you should give me the answers always. So students, I'm new here. It's my first period on 7th standard. Actually, I used to take classes for means higher classes up till now for 9th and 10th specially. But it's okay. It's my first period here at School of Scholar, and I'm very happy to see the response from you. And I expect that from today itself, you should convey this message to all the other remaining students that most of them should present here lively. क्योंकि बेटा अगर आप लाइवली यहाँ पर जब रहोगे, बिकॉज वीडियोस तो बहुत है यूट्यूब पे, अगर आप सर्च करोगे एवरीवन नोज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, मींस बहुत ज्यादा मटेरियल होता है आज के इस दौर में. यू कैन गेट मल्टीपल ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर अ स्मॉलर टॉपिक एज वेल, बट द लाइवलीनेस इज नॉट देयर. आर यू गेटिंग मी प्रॉपरली? Are you getting me, students, properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For mathematics students and for mathematics,
Yes, sir.
actually the liveliness, the enthusiasm is very necessary. I should converse with you properly. The conversation among means in between the teacher and student is very necessary. So I request you all, actually humbly I am requesting you, inform others, inform your friends that for mathematics you should join here maximum. Means really I feel nervous because only 22 or 23 students are here out of 120 students. It should not happen with me. I expect that you will convey the message that for mathematics I need you lively here rather than the videos. Of course I will send the video, no matter, but I am expecting that all of your friends will be live here as well. On the daily basis, I will send you the videos on our group. Compulsorily, I will send, but you should be here lively also. Are you going to promise me?
Yes, sir.
And I can assure you, student, I can assure you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mahalakshmi is asking me, oh, sir, what is your name? Okay, my name is Pramod, sir. You can call me Pramod, sir. Okay, I'm Pramod Sahare actually, but you can call me Pramod sir.
99.
और कुछ पूछना है? Do you want to ask me anything other than this? Except my name. Do you want to ask me? No? Okay. Anyone can ask me anything. We have already, you know that we have already taken sufficient, right?
Sir,
Hello.
you are in first time in School of Scholar.
Yeah. Today is my first period, beta.
Sir,
I joined today.
sir,
फॉर
इसके
मैथमेटिक्स
पहले आप कौन से स्कूल में थे?
I will deal later on such questions because it will take much more time to explain. But ये बात ध्यान में रखो, आपको मैं मैथ्स बहुत अलग तरीके से पढ़ाऊंगा और मेरे तरीके से पढ़ाऊंगा। सिर्फ एक चीज मुझे चाहिए आपसे कि अभी जो पिछली बार हुआ जहां पर मैंने पूछा था आर्यन वाज